Hello, I am Mensa Augustine. In this lesson, we are going to find the multiplication inverse of a given complex number. Okay, so let's see this. What is the multiplicative inverse of z equals 5 minus 3i? Now, z inverse is simply 1 divided by 5 minus 3i. Wow. But should we end here? No. We have to rationalize this to get 1 times 5 plus 3i divided by 5 minus 3i times 5 plus 3i. 5 plus 3i is the conjugate of 5 minus 3i. So we multiply it to the numerator and multiply it to the denominator. So this gives 5 plus 3i all divided by, here the trick is that this is difference of two squares. If you have a squared minus b squared, it's simply a plus b times a minus b. Or it is a minus b times a plus b. So here we just take the 5 and squared. 5 squared is 25. Minus, then we take 3i and square. This gives us 9i squared. But I equals root of negative 1. So if I square this, I'm going to get negative 1. So here will be minus 9. Because negative 1 times 9 gives negative 9. So this gives us 5 plus 3i divided by 34. So we have the multiplicative inverse as 5 on 34 plus 3i on 34. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave your comments.